How to change Google account on Safari. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech is Simple channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to change Google account on Safari. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. Firstly, open Safari, where you'll notice that your Google account is already logged in. Navigate to the profile section by clicking on the profile icon located in the upper right corner of the Safari window. Once you click on the profile icon, a menu will appear displaying your profile information. Direct your attention to the options below your profile details. Look for the Add Account option, which is typically situated beneath your profile information. Click on this option. By following these steps, you will have successfully able to change your Google account. Now add new email address next and enter password. In this way, you can easily change Google account on Safari. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.